Right. Here's a game called Rat Stapler. The interactive pest removal simulation. Deal with pests, help your woman, and find God. Rat Stapler is by far the strangest PS1 styled horror game on Roblox. It was developed in 3 days and is heavily inspired by the game Squirrel Stapler. Featured in the Dread X2 collection. If you don't like weird, if you don't like rats or weird stuff, to get away from it all, so I love my girlfriend. Look at my blue rose, the style. The flies has made her ugly. I wish you were beautiful like the rats of the island. So I will kill her in the rats of the island. Oh, that's weird.
One eternity later.
I don't like the noises that this makes. I'm lowering it down. There. This. Oh, what's that? Nope. Saith the rat of the iron. Thou shalt. What? Thou shalt not staple rats. So I'm not allowed to staple rats? But I have to because I want to make my woman beautiful. Okay then. I really like the colors. Oh, collect 5 rats. 1, 2. I believe we don't click on the rats. We just step on them and then we collect them. Okay, I'm here. I'm not. What is your Come on. So we're not supposed to take this one? Oh wait, never mind. Oh. What is that? An apple. Looks like an apple to me. Okay, I don't like the fact that we're walking really slow right now. That's enough rat, go home. Aren't we already at home? Or this is just a different place of our house? Should I collect these apples too? Na 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 na. Let me leave. Yes. I will staple rats now. Because, oh. Go to bed. Bed. My bed. Click. Oh wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's enough rats. Go home. I'm already at home. Okay, well, I'll try to continue this if I can. See you guys.